नमस्ते, मेरा नाम लक्ष्मी है और मैं भारत की रहने वाली हूँ। स्टॉप टेक 3 हिंदी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। उम्मीद है कि आप मुझसे हिंदी सीख रहे होंगे, थोड़ा थोड़ा, ज़्यादा ज़्यादा। थोड़ी हिंदी सीख रहे हैं या ज़्यादा हिंदी सीख रहे हैं? कम ज़्यादा, कम ज़्यादा, कम ज़्यादा हिंदी सीख रहे हैं। बहुत अच्छे। ओके, सो आज मैं आपको सिखाने जा रही हूँ वर्ष में महीनों के नाम हिंदी में कैसे कहते हैं। ओके, हेलो, माय नेम इज लक्ष्मी and I am from India. Welcome to Stop Take 3 Hindi classes. Today I am going to teach you how to say months of the year in Hindi. Okay, so if you are watching my videos, then give me lots of likes and subscribe. And yes, बेल बटन आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिएगा ताकि आप मेरे वीडियो सबसे पहले वॉच कर सकें, सबसे पहले देख सकें। ओके, क्लिक दैट बेल बटन आइकन. Okay, which when you click it gives the sound of ting ting, and then you can watch my video the moment I send it. Okay, ठीक है, तो चलिए फिर शुरू करते हैं। आज हम सीखेंगे हिंदी में महीनों के नाम कैसे कहते हैं। सो मंथ, महीने, मंथ्स ऑफ द ईयर, वर्ष के महीने। ओके, मंथ्स ऑफ द ईयर, वर्ष के महीने। सो मंथ्स इन हिंदी इज सेड एज म ही ने। म, क्लोज योर लिप्स, म. He, blow air from your windpipe, aspiration. Okay, ma he, short sound, mahi, mahi, ne, ne. Watch my tongue, it touches the pre-palate above, upside. Okay, and then I take the sound ne, ne, ne. Yes. Okay, watch my pronunciation. We will learn the pronunciations, how to say, then we will learn the names, we will practice it, and then I will give some sentences in Hindi and you have to repeat after me that time. Okay, but number one, पहला काम करते हैं हम महीना, महीनों का नाम. ओके, सबसे पहला मंथ है जनवरी. यू नो, in English when you say January, February, it's a surprise for you. You will be very surprised and amazed to hear that the same name is there in Hindi, but the tone is different, the accent is different, that we say it in Hindi. So first listen and then see. I am not going to say the names of the month in English. I will directly tell the months in Hindi. Okay, and I will give you the accent practice how to say it. Okay, so the first one is January. J, 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 worry, worry. Okay, so how to say this? It's not J, it's J. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now let us try to say January. Look at my position of the lips, teeth and tongue. These play very important role in saying the name of the months. Okay, I will show you a picture where you have to use the tongue, your lips, your teeth and your upper palate, lower palate, and your windpipe, the larynx where the voice vibrates. Okay, so according to this you have to say this. Okay, so first one is January. So you see when I say ja, ja, that is in English also ja. Okay, so how to say this ja? This is your tip of the tongue touches the upper initial palate after the teeth, and then it makes a sound ja. Then I say mm, mm. My lips, sorry, my tongues are going up. The tip of the tongue goes up, touch the upper initial palate, but don't falls down. Okay, so it remains up and says mm, January. Round your lips and say w, w, re, re. How to say re, re, re? Re is what? It's a kind of semi vowel, right? So you are taking your tip of the tongue upside, but it's not completely sticking there. From there, the aspiration comes out. Re. When you say तो हवा जाती है बीच से. Okay, the air comes out and you are making a sound. Okay, so it don't sticks completely, so it becomes re, e. See my, see, I have to say e, short sound. Okay, e. So it is r, e, re, jan, wa, re, January. Okay, अगला महीना फरवरी, फरवरी. So it is okay, f, f, r, w, re. Okay, just like in January we say you have to round your lips and say w. Okay, before that when you say lower lips, touch your upper teeth on the lower lips and then blow the air from the side. It's r, r. Again you have to take the tip of the tongue upward. Don't touch the upper palate. Pass the air in between and say r, fur. Round your lips. W, re. R with the short sound e. Fur, w, re. It's so easy, right? Okay. So मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है आपको सिखाने में. क्या आपको आ रहा है? तो जल्दी से सीखते हैं आगे. Okay. Now it is March. March is as it is in English. Okay. So as you say March in English, in the same way you say March in Hindi. Okay. The spellings you can see on the side of my head. It's coming. Okay. So it's March. Mm, mm. Close your lips and make the sound ah. Open your mouth and say ah. So is the consonant and ah is the vowel. So mix it together and then it becomes ma. Then you say r, r. We practiced in January and February. It's the same way you have to say r, ma, r, ch, ch, ch. How to say ch? Ch is what? It's a pre-palatal sound, right? So tip of the tongue touching the upper initial palate. Okay, just after the teeth on the muscles. Okay, so it is March. अगला महीना अप्रैल, अप्रैल, अ pra, l. The vowel a, the consonant b, b. It's voiceless, right? So touch your lips and then vibrate your windpipe and say b. Okay. So it is a, b, ra, ra, r, and a. When I say a is what? It's a kind of, we can say, superscript. So you have to say a. Don't worry, I will be coming with the videos on the writing part of the Hindi alphabets, but later on. So right now I'm teaching a conversation, so let us focus on this. Okay, so it is April. Okay, then so you have to touch your tip of the tongue to the teeth, and then you have to say okay, April. So it's January, February, March, April, and May. May is simple. May.
May.
Look at my pronunciation. May.
May.
Then it is June. June. July. July. Okay. July. July. August. August. May. Sorry, it's not May. It's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, then September is in Hindi it is called Sitambar. 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 Okay? Sitambar. See, I am saying September. You don't say September. No, it's not September. It's September. September. The flapping sound. Okay, flaps. The take your tongue up and down. Up and down. Okay. The see the ber. September. Okay. Close your lips and say okay, and then hear the sound here, it's vibrates. September. Then the next one is October. October is easy. You have to say October. In English you say October, and in Hindi you have to say October. October. Okay. October. Long sound. Slowly. Okay. So धीरे धीरे बोलना है अक्टूबर. Okay. After अक्टूबर के बाद November. In English you say November, but in Hindi you have to say November. Na flapping is there. Okay. The tip of the tongue is flapping up and down. Na wam wa. Round your lips and say wa. Then say November. November. Okay, as the letter B sounds, B, November. And then it is December. In English it is December, right? And in Hindi it is December. You have to take the sound of each and every alphabet clearly. Okay? There is no silence in any of the alphabet. And the most wonderful thing in Hindi is there is no capitalization of the letters. Yes, great. So there is no capitalization, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay? आपको इसकी चिंता करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. So you have to say November, December. Finished? Okay. So now I have to say that when is your birthday? तुम्हारा जन्मदिन कब है? So birthday is जन्मदिन and I ask कब है? कब means when. Okay? So when is your birthday? तुम्हारा जन्मदिन कब है? And my answer will be मेरा जन्मदिन है. Your date of birth and then है. So it is मेरा जन्मदिन 22 अक्टूबर को है. मेरा जन्मदिन 1 जनवरी को है. मेरा जन्मदिन 22 अप्रैल को है. So this is your answer. My birthday is on 22 April. My birthday is on 22 October. My birthday is on 1st of January. So this way you can say तुम्हारा जन्मदिन कब है? मेरा जन्मदिन है. Understood? Fine. Let us now talk about other than these things. Okay? So suppose I have to make sentences from each of the months. You repeat with me. Okay? So my first sentence is for January. We can say जनवरी में आम के फूल आते हैं. जनवरी में आम के फूल आते हैं. ओके. फरवरी में मौसम अच्छा हो जाता है. फरवरी में मौसम अच्छा हो जाता है. मार्च और अप्रैल में बहुत गर्मी होती है. मार्च और अप्रैल में बहुत गर्मी होती है. मई जून में और ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है. मई और जून में और ज़्यादा गर्मी होती है. जुलाई में मेरा स्कूल खुल जाता है. जुलाई में मेरा स्कूल खुल जाता है. अगस्त में बारिश होती है और सब कुछ हरा हो जाता है. अक्टूबर में ठंड पड़ती है. हल्की हल्की ठंड पड़ती है. अक्टूबर में हल्की हल्की ठंड पड़ती है. नवंबर और दिसंबर में बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ती है. It is बहुत. Very is बहुत, but I say बहुत. The native speaker says बहुत. Okay, I'll bring the video on this also. So नवंबर और दिसंबर में बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड पड़ती है. That's all for the video. I hope we really had a good time watching this video and मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपने ज़रूर इससे कुछ सीखा होगा. और मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि हिंदी सीखने के लिए आपको 3 चीज़ों की ज़रूरत है. जिज्ञासा, धैर्य और अभ्यास. इसे मत भूलिएगा और मुझे लाइक्स और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा. अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो हम बिल्कुल दोस्त नहीं रह सकेंगे. प्रणाम. मैं चलती हूँ.